Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube on your phone. This works on Android or iOS, doesn't matter what phone you have. Really easy and simple to do. So all you're going to do is head over to your YouTube application on your phone, open that up, and then all you have to do is just go to the top right where your little profile icon is, click on that, and then you just want to go to settings. So this is at the bottom there. Once you're on settings, you'll notice under dark theme there, it says restricted mode. So you can just untoggle that if you want to turn it off, or obviously toggle it if you want to turn it on. But yeah, easy as that. Hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.